Hey dear friends, welcome back. Today, to check how smart you are, we came up with some general knowledge questions. Ready? Let's start. Which country flag is this? New Zealand. Which is the hottest desert in the world? Sahara Desert. What is the capital city of Australia? Canberra. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. Which is the hardest natural substance on earth? Diamond. Which instrument has 88 keys? Piano. What is the capital city of Turkey? Ankara. Which country flag is this? Algeria. Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Mount Everest. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. What is the second largest organ in the human body? Liver. Which is the longest bone in human body? Femur. How many bones are there in a human body? (206). Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Edison. What is the term for a word that has the opposite meaning of another word? Antonyms. Which country flag is this? Russia. What are animals with backbones called? Vertebrates. What is the outermost layer of the skin called? Epidermis. Who was the first person to step on the moon? Neil Armstrong. What is the innermost layer of the skin called? Hypodermis. Which country is famous for kangaroos and koalas? Australia. Which country is known as the land of fire and ice? Iceland. In which year did the Titanic sink? Which planet is often called Earth's sister planet? Venus. Which ocean is the largest and deepest? Pacific. Which is the largest tropical rainforest in the world? Amazon. Which continent is known as the roof of the world? Asia. What is the capital city of Russia? Moscow. Hey friends, how many answers did you get correct? Tell me in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye.